So this is how I color graded this photo, transform it from this to this using Photoshop Camera Raw. So if you are struggling with your color grading, then this video is definitely for you. And remember, we also handle professional photo retouching for photographers. Our rate starts from just $3, which is 2,000 naira, depending on the editing you need. Now, let's dive into why we are here. So, this is the image. So, this is my dodge and burn. So, I have already done my dodge and burn. So, dodge and burn. So, I have already done my dodge and burn. Dodge and burn. You can see the before and you can see the after. You can see the before and you can see the after. So before you do your color grading or those any other thing, make sure you have already do your frequency separation. Then do your skin color correction too. Yes, you can do your skin color correction too. Then if I always do my dodge and burn twice, because after my color grading, I still apply a little dodge and burn to make the highlight pump a little, the highlight and the shadow pump a little. So now what I'm going to do here now is to bring a new adjustment layer. I will bring out new adjustment layer. Then I'll bring out new adjustment layer. Then come to my camera raw fitter. I will click on my camera raw fitter. So this is how it's going to show your photo, your Lightroom, your Photoshop Camera Raw. This is how it's going to show. So most of the things in Camera Raw, they are still in your Lightroom. In case you do not have Camera Raw, you can also use Lightroom. But in our next video, I'm going to talk about how you can use your Lightroom to do this perfectly. So now what you are going to do here now, you can use your curve to do your color grading. Yes, you can use your curve to do your color grading. But what I want to show you guys is this color grading panel in Camera Raw. So what I'm just going to click on it. You can see this is mid-tone, shadow, and highlights. You need to know how to work with these colors. These colors, you need to know how to work with them, because in this panel you can get color grading of, harsh color grading. You can get warm color grading. You can get, any type of color grading. Just know how to use the color properly when you are applying them. That is why I always prefer, doing my color grading myself. I don't like using preset, because preset won't give me what I really want. So I love doing my color grading myself. So now in this your color grading panel, first of all, what I'm going to work with is my mid-tone. I'm going to work with my mid-tone. So you can just take it around just to know the color that will suit your image properly. So I'm going to use something like this mid-tone. Let me use something like this. This color is perfectly okay. So I'm going to use this color. Then the shadow, I would like to use something, something calm. Yes, I love to use something calm on my shadow. So which I will take it, down this like this. Yeah, this is perfectly okay. Well, let me take it to the green. Yeah, let me use green. Then let's say this is okay. Let me use green. Because I love green, so let me use green. So this one, I will take this highlight. I need warm tone. I need warm tone, so I will take this one down a little. Then okay, I think this is perfectly okay to me. This is okay to me. So what I'm going to do now, this blending, you have to know how to use this blending. I'm going to take this blending. Let me take it down a little. Yeah, let me take it down a little. Then this balance, when you take it down, become too color. When you take it up, become white, that just is. But I will put it in the middle. Okay, let it be like this. This is okay. This is okay. You can see the before now. You can see the before, and you can see the after. You can see the changes here. So now I want to use this calibration. So you click on calibration. Then now know that everything you are adjusting here, you just have to be little, so that the color will not be much. So I will take this shadow down a little. Now what I'm working on this particular purple. I'm working on this stuff. So I'll just take it down a little, and this is okay. So the skin, I don't want too much color on the skin, so I will just take it down a little. Then this saturation is also the skin. I'm not going to work on too much on the skin. Just take it down a little. Okay, I think this is perfectly okay. Now I want to work on this green particularly, and I want to work on this blue particularly, sorry. Then I will take this down, you see. So when you overdo it, is your picture spoil. So that's it. Then now let me come to my curve. You know how to use curve already. You know how to use curve. Let me take it here. Curve. This is shadow, midtone, and highlight. So I'm just going to reduce the shadow a little. Yeah, I'm just going to reduce the shadow a little. Then I'll take the highlight up a little. Take the highlight up a little. Take the midtone. This is midtone. Take this midtone up a little. Yeah, this is okay. I'm going to take this one just little, slightly. This is okay. Okay, this is okay to me. So this is okay to me. Yeah, I love this. This is okay to me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to hide my exposure a little. Take my exposure up a little. Then I'll come to this filter. Come to this effect. This is the effect. I will take this one down a little. Take this one down a little. Then I will take this midpoint up a little, or let me take it down a little. Yes, take it down. Now the roundness, I don't want the roundness to show, so I'm going to take it down up. Then the feather, I will feather it like this down. This is all. Yeah, this is all. So what I'm going to do now is to click OK, because I'm done with my color grading. So I love this color grading already. So I'm just going to click OK. So you click OK, and it's going to apply. So you can see the before, and you can see the after. You can see the before, and you can see the after. You can see the difference. You can see the difference between the before and the after. So you can use this one to do different color grading. And once you master this color grading panel, you have mastered it. So our next session, I'm going to teach you guys how you can use that curve to color grade your photo perfectly. Yes, everything there on that camera roll, you can use it to color grade your photo perfectly. So don't forget to like this video, share, and follow us. Yes, follow us. If you want to learn more about editing and photography, follow us. Try and follow us, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our name on YouTube channel is Nice Light Media. Yes, subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of our tutorial. So see you in our next session.